Together, family. It's a sea day. Are you ready? We're ready. Let's go. I'm not sure if y'all noticed this, but here on the Carnival legend, you can see the steakhouse through the whale tail. Let's go back up and take a look. What y'all think? Isn't that the coolest thing? You can see the steakhouse right through the whale tail. You can see a crew member inside preparing for this evening's dinner. I'll show you what it looks like from the inside of the steakhouse as well. I just thought that was the coolest thing to see. This is the view from inside the steakhouse, looking up at the whale tail. The view that I was showing you from the outside, looking down into the steakhouse. As you can see out the windows there, the smoke coming from the whale tail. And this is a look at how the tables are set up here in the steakhouse on board the Carnival Legend. There are more tables on the level above as well for your dining pleasure. Would this be the Tides area or Serenity area? This is Serenity. Are you sure? You're not sure.
It is the Serenity.
Oh, okay. Just checking. There's the wake. The rear view. Together, family, did you know you could carve an ice sculpture in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean on a cruise ship? As you can see, it held up pretty well also. A fun fact that the Fun Squad member was sharing with us is that this carver is also the dentist on board the cruise ship. Nah, just a joke, just a joke. Okay, let's take a look at the Enchanted Forest, Noah's Ark. Let's take a walk. or muster station. Yeah, crew muster station. There are markings on the floor as to where folks will be standing in between these lines, I guess, if there were emergencies and they needed to get off the ship. I guess this is where the crew would come. So the enchanted forest wraps around and we're going out the other end now. Interesting. There's some seats here with ocean view windows.
Let you go, baby. I want you back. Yes, I do now. I want you back. Baby. I want you back. I want you back. A, B, C. It is 1, 2, 3. I'll stick with your and me. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. You and me. A, B, C. It is 1, 2, 3. I'll stick with your and me. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. You and me. She's a brick house. She's mighty. Just let it all hang out. Oh, she's a brick house. But that lady said, and that's a fact, ain't holding nothing back. Oh, she's a brick house. But when we're together, everybody knows this is how the story goes. So let it go with me, baby, child. Let it rain, let it rain. Oh, with me, baby, oh, with me all night. Now that's a dream, no, child. Oh, let it get, come on with me. Oh, yeah. There's no time to lose. You're the one that you just don't have. You're the one that you don't ever wanna be. You're It smells so sweet. You know you could have been some perfume. Well, you could have been anything that you wanted to, and I can tell. The way you do the things you do, the way you do the things you do, the way you do the things you do, as pretty as you are. You know you could have been a flower. If good looks was forbidden, you know you could have been ours. The way you stole my heart, you know you could have been a fool. No one will cry. No woman, no cry.
Stay tuned, there's more to come. So until next time, peace.